everybody, happy Friday. Welcome to today's Read Aloud. We are going to finish the story Be a Friend to Trees today, and we're actually going to go back and read a couple pages that we already read before, just so we can look at them in a little closer detail. So remember, we are thinking about the question, how do living things depend on trees? How do animals and how do people depend on trees? Remember, that means how do they use the trees? Today we're going to focus on how animals and people depend on trees for food. So we're going to read those pages again, even though we've already read them, and think again really closely about the different types of food we can get from those things. We're also going to look really closely at the pictures and the labels, because those are really important things in informational text to help us learn more. So let's get started. Trees are green plants, and so they make their own food. Green plants are the only living things that can do this. Other living things depend on green plants for food. Some eat parts of plants, some eat the plant eaters, and some eat both. You eat the parts of trees known as fruits and nuts. Apples, oranges, pears, cherries, peaches, walnuts, almonds, pecans, hazelnuts, and lots of others. Chocolate also comes from a tree. It's made from the seed of a cacao tree. So there's a couple important word-wall words from this page. The first word was fruit. We all know what fruit is. Fruit is part of a plant. So remember, we learned earlier in this story that when the tree grows, it grows fruits and other parts. The fruit is the part of the plant that is sweet and that you can eat. So here's some examples. The next word on this page was nuts. And nuts are actually a seed from a tree. And they are seeds that people or animals can eat, and they grow inside of a shell usually. So you can eat them, or they can be planted to grow new trees. And then the last word is seed. And seed is similar to nuts. Seeds are part of a plant that can grow into a new plant. Animals and people can eat seeds too, but we usually don't eat all of the kinds of seeds, just some of them. So I want you to look really closely at this page, and I'll read some of the labels again. So we've got a Valencia orange, Rome apples, Queen Anne cherries, and this one is a common walnut. There's the nut right there. And I want you to think, what did you learn from this page? And what is this mostly about? Tell a family member, what did you learn from this page, and what is it mostly about? And then I want you to think about your favorite type of fruit or nut or seed that you like to eat from trees. Your favorite thing you like to eat from trees. And keep that in your brain, because you're going to use that for your writing assignment today. That's it from the story, Be a Friend to Trees. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to see if I can put this on Epic, and if not, if I can't put it on Epic, you can also look it up on YouTube if you want to read it again, because it's a great story. That's it for this story. Look forward to a new story next week. See ya.